Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Basescan to confirm transfers and receipts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Basescan website. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, locate the dashboard interface. Look for the transfer option in the navigation menu and click on it. Input the sending address in the provided field to begin the transfer setup. Next, enter the receiving address where the funds will be sent. Make sure to double-check both addresses for accuracy. Specify the amount you wish to transfer in the designated box. After entering the details, review all the information carefully. Once you confirm everything is correct, click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to verify your transaction details. Click Confirm to proceed with the transfer. You will then receive a transaction ID, which is crucial for tracking. Now, navigate back to the dashboard and click on the Transactions tab. Find your recent transaction using the transaction ID for easy reference. Click on the transaction to view its status and details. This section will show you whether the transfer is pending, confirmed, or failed. To verify a receipt, go to the Receipts section in the menu. Locate the specific receipt associated with your transfer. Check if it matches the details you entered during the transfer setup. If all information aligns, your transaction is successfully confirmed. For ongoing tracking, you can set notifications for updates on your transfers. Remember to log out of your account once you finish your session. You have now successfully set up Basescan to confirm transfers and receipts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.